In this video, I'll show you step by step how to send money from Germany to India using Remitly. Stay with me until the end so you don't miss any important details. First, open the Remitly app and tap the Manage option at the bottom right of your screen. Under Sending To, tap the drop-down menu and search for India. Once it appears, select it. Next, tap Send. Select India again and enter the amount you want to send. When choosing a payment method, you can use either a bank transfer or debit card. You'll usually save a bit by going with a bank transfer. After that, tap Continue. Now, choose how the recipient will receive the money: UPI, bank deposit, or cash pickup. I'll go with bank deposit, but check with the person you're sending to and see which option works best for them. Then hit Continue. Finally, select their bank and fill in the required details like account number and name. That's it. Your transfer is ready to go. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.